So we gotta start with putting some oil. That is 8 tablespoons of oil. We're gonna make 4 cups of rice. And as you've seen in my video, I'm following the same type of preparation where I have given the video for pilaf rice. So this is what it is. The oil has become nice and hot. The pan was already on. So now to this we add our onions. It's 1 onion. Saute the onion real good. Okay, so now our onions are little kind of translucent. To this I'm going to add our pulses and just add them and saute them real little bit so that they cook. Now you can add ginger, garlic, whatever. Some people add cumin to this, but I'm gonna just keep it simple, white rice, and you'll see the difference. I mean, you don't want to kill the flavor with more spices, especially in a rice. So saute it a little bit so it cooks little. And now this pulses were just 3 types. And we got them soaked overnight, so they are really soft pulses, what we call. So it will cook really fast. Okay, so now it's about a minute for the pulses to be sauteed in the oil, and I think this is good enough because this will now cook well with the rice, with the starch of the rice, the heat of the rice. Okay, so to this I'm going to add my water, just like the pilaf rice recipe. This is 4.5 cups of water, and this is now everything's on high heat. So let's wait for add my salt. 2 teaspoons of salt, and let it come to a boil. Okay, so you can see the water has come to a boil, and that's what I want. Now to this I'm going to add my rice, and like we did with the video of the pilaf rice, we're gonna just dry up the water in the rice till it becomes dry. Okay, so just like the pilaf rice, what I've done now, as you can see, this is how gentle you gotta be with the rice. It is on high heat. It's just trying to evaporate this water, so all the starch has to go down. And so you're mixing everything together for some time. And this is the most important part of this. You gotta swirl all this very gently. Because rice cookery basically is starch cookery. So you gotta control the temperature and know what type of rice you're cooking with. Okay, so Topper Chef back again. This is now the end time of our rice. You can see everything's mixed about good. There's not too much water. Now this is the time that I cover it up and keep it for 20 minutes completely. Let's see again, all the water is evaporated. It has to cook in its own steam. So just get ready. Real low on the lowest, and then I cover it up now. 20 minutes is going to be closed for 20 minutes on a low fire. Okay, so now the rice, 20 minutes are up for this, and like I told you, like clockwork, this is every type of rice I cook this. Now what I'm going to do is just turn this off, and don't open the rice. It has to cook in its own steam. So 20 minutes later, I'm going to open it with a fork and try to separate it. And this rice will be amazing when I open up this thing after 20 minutes. Dr. Chef back again. And this is our rice. It's almost ready. 20 minutes are up for the steam and everything. And you can see, oh my God, look at this. This is how pilaf rice should be. You can see now when we open this up, the steam of the rice, look how separate it is. And you will love this rice with anything because it's got pulses, it's got some flavor to it. And you always open up the rice very gently so you don't damage this rice. There you go. It's really nice and yummy. It smells also divine.